Looking for a swing set that can keep up with your energetic kids? The Lifetime 90797 Big Stuff Adventure Swing Set is engineered for non-stop play. Crafted from heavy-duty, powder-coated steel and weather-resistant materials, it's built to last through every season. No matter how hard your kids climb, swing, or slide, this swing set stays sturdy and secure. With a rock climbing wall, 2 wavy slides, a trapeze bar, and 2 belt swings, there's no shortage of adventure. The activities are designed with safety in mind, so parents can relax while their kids unleash their energy and imagination. What makes this set even better is that it's designed for easy assembly using the built app, straightforward instructions, and minimal upkeep once installed. It's a fantastic investment for families who want a backyard play area that requires less work from parents and more fun for the kids. Best of all, it's low maintenance, rust resistant, and great for families who want years of outdoor fun without the hassle. Bring excitement to your backyard today with the Lifetime Big Stuff Adventure Swing Set, and let the adventures begin.